Next question is about World Bank Logistic Performance Index report. Now, if you see the previous year questions of UPSC in the last few years, UPSC give more importance to the reports, and they mainly ask, okay, who releases this particular report. There have been many questions every year continuously UPSC is asking. So the major reports and mainly those reports which are in news are very important for you, and this report, that is Logistic Performance Index report, is very important. So first note down that this report, that is Logistic Performance Index report, from the question itself you will get to know that it is released by World Bank. But one important point you need to know that many of the reports are released annually, but this report is released biennially, means it will be released in 2 years gap, not every year. After 2 years only it will be releasing. Now why this time this report is very important is that as per the latest Logistic Performance Index report released by World Bank, that is biennially, that is after 2 years, India's performance in this report have drastically improved. So because of that, this report have become very important. So India's ranking in the latest report have jumped or improved from 54th. So India's ranking in 2014 was 54. Now it has improved to 35 rank. So India's rank in this report have improved in a better, means in a drastic manner. So that's the reason why this report is very important. Now this report released by the World Bank, okay, measures the countries in 6 components. Out of the 6 components only, they rank the countries in the logistic performance. So you as an aspirant, civil service aspirant, need to know which are the 6 components on which the World Bank analyze the logistic performance of a country and prepare this report. The question is based on that components. So you need to have an idea what are the 6 components on which the World Bank analyzes or prepares this Logistic Performance Index report. The 6 components are, first one is the efficiency of customs as well as the border management clearance. So basically this is aimed at, this report shows the significance of logistics in improving the global trade. So here the first component is given to the customs efficiency, how the customs clearance as well as how the custom documentation helps in improving logistic trade. So first is regarding the efficiency of customs. Second is regarding the quality of trade and transport infrastructure. So second is on given importance to the infrastructure, the transport as well as trade infrastructure. What is the quality of trade and transport infrastructure? So the second important component. Third is in relation to arranging or the easiness at arranging a better competitively priced shipment for trade, which mainly happens, many of our trade happens, most of the quantitative wise and cost wise, value wise, our major trade happens through shipment. So in that way, whether you will what is the ease at which you will get this shipment being priced competitively, that is another component on which this index is prepared. Fourth is in relation to the logistic services. The logistic company which provides the logistic services mainly for movement of this trade component or the trade goods, tradable goods. What is the competence and quality of this logistic company or logistic services provided by them? It's another factor. And then the consignment, send, what is the ability to track and trace the consignment, where your consignment have reached. So that the ability to track and trace the consignment is another important component. And the 6th component, finally, the frequency with which the shipment reach consignees within the scheduled or expected delivery time, whether the shipment reaches the consignee on as per the scheduled or per the promised delivery time. All these are the 6 factors on which the World Bank prepares this Logistic Performance report, index report. So it's very important for you. Now we'll try to answer this question. So which of the following are the indicators used by the World Bank to compute the logistics? First one, quality of trade and transport infrastructure. We know that is there. So first statement is correct. So if that first statement is correct, we can eliminate choice B because one is not there. Quantity of consignment the system can handle. So in this index, the quantity of consignment is not considered by World Bank. So 2 is wrong. If 2 is wrong, then we can eliminate choice C also. Third one, ability to track and trace consignment. That is correct. It's one of the 6 components. So answer to this question is 1 and 3 only.